Hello everyone, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and today I'm going to show you my massive Joann's haul. I was able to go there for the Happy Planner clearance stuff, and so I'm going to show you what I got. So I have my receipt here so you can see everything, and I'm going to go ahead and go in order as the stuff rang up as well. So the first thing I got were these neutral Geo storage accessories, or accessory storage is what they're called, and they were $4.18, and I already put them both together. So this is what it looks like, and so the reason why it's so cheap is because this stuff was on clearance, and then there was an additional I think 30% off clearance, I believe, and so that's why this stuff was so cheap. So head out to your Joann's because there's a lot of new stuff that is on clearance now in the Happy Planner section. So I really like this storage case. It's like pretty sturdy, like cardboard, and I'm running really low on storage, so I thought it would be perfect, so I picked up 2 of them. The next thing I got was 2 of these big Squad Goals accessory packs. So I don't use a big planner all the time. I do have a couple big planners that I use, but I knew I wanted this because it's Squad Goals and it's so cute, and everyone's been loving this stuff, and it's kind of hard to get or hard to find. And so it comes with this bookmark in there, which is just a dashboard. It comes with a folder, 2 sheets of stickers, and filler paper. And so here's on the back, it shows you a little bit closer of what you get in there. The only thing is that I wanted to cut the paper down to the size of a classic planner, but I would have to cut out the cute designs. They just happen to be like in the wrong space, so I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that, but I could just use them in my big planners. And then the dashboard bookmark, that fits in a classic planner. The folder itself is for a big, but I saw someone who cut it down to size to fit in a classic, and it didn't look bad at all. It looked like it almost came that way. So I think I'm gonna do that with one of these. And then the stickers are of course cute, and you can make them work. So I picked up 2 of those. They were $2.78. So I knew I needed 2 of them. The next thing I got were 2 of these dashboard sets. These were $1.38. So cheap, so I knew I needed to get 2 of them. I think I might give one away and use the other one. So cute. Comes with 3 dashboards. One of them is a bookmark, and 2 are like 3/4 pages, like wide. Super cute. Okay, next I got this Squad Goals block pad. I love block pads. They're my new favorite thing. This one was $2.43, super cheap. And I do already have one, but I'm either going to use it when that one runs out because it's so darn cute, or I'm going to give it away. The next thing I got was these mini half sheets. This fits in your mini planner. You can put it in your classic, you can put it in your big, doesn't matter, but it will fit in all planners, even your skinny mini, because it's that half sheet size. And so it comes with 2 patterns. I love this pink one because that's like my color. And these were $1.03. Like, how crazy is that? Okay, next I got some classic filler paper. This was $1.38, so obviously still a steal. And so this one's really cute. It says, "You got this." It's got a cute design down the side. It's dotted lined, has some girls in the corner, and on the back it says "Planner's got a plan" on the back side. So super cute. You get 40 sheets in there, and that was $1.38. Yeah. Next I got this Happy Notes, and that was $1.39, and I have put some dashboards in it, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. With these teal discs, really like it, and the inside is this cute rainbow, and then it comes with this teal or blue dotted lined paper. So super cute, super cheap. Next, I got this pack of 3 summer journals for $1.19. And now looking back, I wish I had gotten another set to give away because I kind of want to use these. I really like this one. But maybe I can go back and grab one. Super cheap. Next, I got some sticker books. So there was a couple sticker books that were on sale. So the first one was Summer Vibes, and it was $4.18. And this is like a new book. So that's super surprising and awesome that it was on clearance with an extra % off. So $4.18. And this one is super cute. I've already used a little bit, but I love it. It's a little bright for me, but it's summer, so that's kind of like an exception to my bright rule. And I think this was much prettier in person than I ever saw it online. So if you see it for $4, you should totally go snatch it up. Next is this summer fun book. This one's super cute. It's kind of like a kid's book. It just reminds me of like if you're gonna memory plan for your kids summer. A lot of like those designs are very like kids. I don't know. But that's okay. I still got it because it was so cheap. I might use it, I might give it away. We'll see. Okay, and then the last book I got, Squad Goals. So of course I had to get another Squad Goals even though I already have the mini. I couldn't find the classic or the accessory book or any of the other stickers, but I thought having 2 of these is better than just 1 of the mini. I don't know. I think the girls in here are still good enough size, like the clear classic Squad Girls are big enough. So, because usually mini books have like really tiny stickers, like kind of like these. These are pretty small, but these ones are a lot larger, and so I like that. And you can use them in a classic, and it doesn't look like they're too tiny on the page. So I'm really glad I got that one as well, even though I already have one. So that was my Joann's haul. So in total I spent $39.21 on all that stuff. So again, I got 2 accessory packs. Or 2 accessory storages. I got 2 big accessory packs of Squad Goals, 2 packs of dashboards, a block pad, mini half sheets, classic filler paper, happy notes, a set of 3 journals, and 3 sticker books. So thanks so much for watching, and go head out to your Joann's because this is an awesome sale. Bye guys.